Hello students, today we are going to discuss factors affecting enzyme activity. Previously we have discussed factors affecting photosynthesis. Now these are the factors affecting enzyme activity. These are pH, temperature and concentration of substrate. So we will discuss these three factors one by one. See here, the curve is maximum at certain point. Before that and after that, it is decreasing. The curve is showing decrement in the enzyme activity. So enzymes generally function in a narrow range of temperature and pH. Each enzyme shows its highest activity. See here, its highest activity at a particular temperature and pH called the optimum temperature and optimum pH. This point is what? Optimum pH and optimum temperature. Activity declines both below and above the optimum value. Low temperature preserves the enzyme in a temporarily inactive state, whereas high temperature destroys enzymatic activity because of what? The proteins are denatured by the heat. जास्त टेम्परेचरला ते काम करू शकत नाही. Now see the concentration of substrate. With the increase of substrate concentration here, if concentration is increased, the velocity of enzymatic reaction rises first. Up to this point, the speed or velocity of reaction increases. After certain point, the speed is stable. The reaction ultimately reaches a maximum velocity Vmax, which is not exceeded by any further rise in concentration of substrate. This is because the enzyme molecules are fewer than the substrate molecules, and after saturation of these molecules, there are no free enzyme molecules to bind with additional substrate molecules. The activity of an enzyme is also sensitive to the presence of specific chemicals that bind to the enzyme. When the binding of chemical shuts off enzyme activity, the process is called inhibition and the chemical is called inhibitor. So here two terms, what are they? Inhibition and inhibitor. So listen carefully. When the binding of chemical shuts off enzyme activity, because of what? Substrate molecules are more, enzyme molecules are in small amount. So after some time, binding is shut due to all enzyme molecules are active in the reaction, so no inactive enzyme molecule remains. So when the binding of chemical shuts off enzyme activity, the process is called inhibition and the chemical is called inhibitor. When the inhibitor closely resembles the substrate in its molecular structure and inhibits the activity of the enzyme, it is also known as competitive inhibitor. Due to its close structural similarity with substrate, the inhibitor competes with the substrate for the substrate binding site of the enzyme. Consequently, the substrate cannot bind and as a result, the enzyme declines. Example, inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate, which closely resemble the substrate succinate in structure. Such competitive inhibitors are often used in the control of bacterial pathogens. Okay, so how factors affect the enzyme activity and which are they? pH, temperature and concentration of substrate. So pH and temperature raises the speed or enzyme activity at a certain point. That point is called optimized temperature and optimized pressure. With the use of concentration of substrate, the velocity of reaction increase up to certain point. After that, no change in the velocity is carried out. Okay, so keep studying, keep watching the videos. Thank you.